dépend. Alors, on les donne.
Used coffee grounds from this morning's cup, and what grew in this backyard genuinely shocked us. Mix the coffee grounds into the top 3 inches of soil. That nitrogen goes straight to work feeding the roots. Slip planted, coffee grounds activated. This nitrogen-rich soil is about to produce something extraordinary. Day 10, and the coffee grounds method is already showing the fastest above-ground growth of all 3. Day 50, the nitrogen from coffee grounds has pushed these vines to lengths that seem almost impossible. Day 100, here's the truth about coffee grounds. Incredible vines above, but the underground story is different. Day 120, harvest. Coffee grounds wins for speed and vines, but tuber size tells a different story. Same soil, same day, 3 methods, 1 clear winner, and the results will change how you grow forever.